The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is officially here. It's not just a smartphone. It's a game-changing leap in technology that's setting the standard for what a flagship can achieve in 2025. Samsung has taken bold steps to redefine the premium phone experience, and it all starts with the design. The new titanium blue hero color is not just eye-catching. It's a statement of elegance and innovation, paired with timeless classics like titanium black, gold, and silver, as well as exclusive online shades such as jade green and pink gold. There's an option to match everyone's style. The fusion of titanium and glass ensures the device isn't just beautiful, but built to last, offering the perfect balance of durability and luxury. Leaked renders showcase a flat, minimalist design with refined rounded corners and ultra-thin bezels, making it one of the sleekest Galaxy devices we've ever seen. It's clear that Samsung has paid attention to ergonomics without compromising on aesthetics. The signature camera layout has been polished to perfection, maintaining its iconic look while fitting seamlessly into the overall design. Holding this phone is going to feel like holding a piece of art, and it's designed to turn heads wherever you go. Performance, however, is where the Galaxy S25 Ultra truly shines. Powered by the revolutionary Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, built on a cutting-edge 3M process, this device is set to deliver unmatched efficiency and power. With configurations scaling up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 TB of storage, multitasking, gaming, and even video editing will feel effortless. Imagine rendering 4K videos or playing graphics-intensive games without a single hiccup. Early benchmarks reveal staggering results with Geekbench scores that place this phone leagues ahead of its competitors, reinforcing its position as a performance leader in the smartphone world. The software is no less impressive. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will ship with Android 15 and Samsung's One UI 7.0, which has been completely reimagined to enhance user experience. The redesigned notification shade now separates system controls and notifications for better functionality, and the updated icons add a modern flair. The battery indicator has been refreshed to offer a sleeker look, while deeper customization options allow you to truly make your device your own. From the lock screen to widgets, Samsung has ensured every interaction feels seamless and intuitive. This isn't just software, it's an extension of the user's lifestyle. Now let's talk cameras because Samsung continues to set the bar here. The 200MP ISO-CELL-HP5 sensor is a game changer, delivering unparalleled detail and clarity even in low-light conditions. With improved AI and computational photography, the camera optimizes settings in real time, ensuring every shot looks professional. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, intricate close-ups, or cinematic videos in 8K resolution, this camera is ready to handle it all. Advanced stabilization ensures your videos remain smooth, and the enhanced zoom capabilities bring distant subjects into crystal clear focus. It's the kind of camera that makes you forget you're using a phone. Connectivity and longevity are equally groundbreaking. Equipped with 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and NFC, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is designed to be future-proof. But Samsung doesn't stop there. With a promise of 7 years of software updates, this device is built not just for today, but for the years to come. This long-term support makes the S25 Ultra not just a smartphone, but an investment in cutting-edge technology that stays relevant well into the future. The battery performance is another area where Samsung has upped its game. The Ultra boasts a massive 5,500 mAh battery, coupled with advanced power management features in One UI 7.0, ensuring your phone lasts through even the busiest days. And when it's time to charge, the improved fast charging capability will get you back to 100% in record time. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event, scheduled for January 22, 2025, will be the stage where the entire S25 lineup is unveiled. While the base S25 and S25 Plus models bring their own impressive features, it's the Ultra that stands out as the ultimate flagship. Rumors are already swirling about a Galaxy S25 Slim model launching later in the year, aimed at catering to an even broader audience. As anticipation continues to build, the big question remains: is this the year to upgrade? With its bold design, next-level performance, groundbreaking features, and long-term value, the Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just a phone, it's a revolution. Get ready, because this is more than just a device. It's Samsung's most ambitious release yet. It's set to change everything. Stay tuned for more updates as we explore the full potential of this incredible flagship.